Alrighty, this is August 10th, and I haven't done any videos in a while, and I've been digesting what I've discovered over the last few months that I've been working on this Help Us Save the USA project. One of the biggest things that I did discover, and it unfortunately came a little late in the whole process, but prior to going to Sonoma, to the Infineon racetrack up there, I decided to make a hat so that people would be able to see me from further away and basically every angle, and definitely read the phrase, "I didn't vote for this abomination." So I built a hat and I took it to Sonoma, and it was a huge hit. I had about 400 to 500 people asked to take my picture, and I'm sure there was other people outside of my field of view to do the same thing. So I had, a lot of people take my picture simply because of the hat. And I want to show it to you now. I've added flags since the Sonoma track, and tea bags. But I want you to see it because this whole time I'm shooting this video here, I want you to be able to know what's on my mind. So that's what the hat's all about, and it definitely gets the job done. So what's on my mind now is, I did my road trip to Washington, D.C., and first I need to mention that I am doing another road trip to Washington, D.C. I'm going to be there from 9/10 to 9/12, and hopefully the 9/12 event will be something phenomenal that will start a new trend, that will mark a new day, that will go down in history as a new beginning whenever the people of this country took this country back into their possession, away from this abomination. These current representatives that, if you look at the site called opencongress.org, go there, people, opencongress.org. It's a site that's designed to give some transparency, and there's some transparency there. You can see how people rate each representative, each senator. Go check that out. Those are quite revealing numbers. So most important thing is go check out opencongress.org and look at how poorly some of the Democrats are rated. I haven't tallied it up, and I plan to, but I'm going to tally up, see how they rate. But today's message is to tell you that I'm angry because the White House just issued a desire to collect emails and therefore email addresses of any sort of healthcare disinformation that's being sent around electronically. This is wrong. It's illegal. The government can't do such things, and our inept administration, our rookie administration, our corrupt administration is decided to ask its citizens to turn in people for misinformation on healthcare. Well, I got to tell you, Barack Obama is the misinformation on healthcare. I mean, he calls it a healthcare system. As far as I know, I didn't really know it was a system. To me, it's a bunch of privately owned hospitals out there that if I decide to go to this hospital or that hospital, it's not a system. He wants to make it a system. That's wrong. Okay? That's one thing I'm going to point out. Today's video is to tell you to keep watching us here at helpussavetheusa.com, helpussavetheusa.com. Keep visiting this blog page here, because we're going to point out issues like this. We're going to make 9/12 an event. It's going to be a turnaround for this country. So people, I need your help. I can't do this alone. I know there's thousands of you out there. Let's all join together. Let's get this country back in our control. Thank you. Keep an eye on me. See you soon.